You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.